Hi guys, it's practically summer outside today. It's Saturday. No, it's not. It's Sunday. Let's get the days right before we start filming, Jesse. Come on. Anyways, it's Sunday. It's 60 degrees outside, and it's beautiful. It's not sunny, but 60 degrees. I'll take it. We are headed out to go see a movie for our Advent activity today. What are we going to go see?
The new Grinch movie?
Yes, and we're very excited about it. If you've seen it already, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you thought of it. Hopefully it's good. We're going to go and see that. Got a late start to the vlog today. It's already 1:30 in the afternoon, so probably going to be a shorter vlog today. But that's alright. We're going to go and enjoy our movie. Are you excited to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The oldest men in my life, that's my husband and my oldest son, Robbie here, both said we should just go see Crimes of Grindelwald instead. But that's not exactly holiday themed, so I put the kibosh on that. And actually, as big of a Harry Potter fan as I am, I didn't like the first movie in that series, the Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them movie. I didn't like it. I know, shock and awe. But yeah, we're not going to go see that today. We're going to go see The Grinch. We had the genius idea to come to a mall on a Sunday when there's 500,000 people here. Oh, it's going to be a crowded mess in here, but we're going to make it to see our movie.
Later.
You're going to see what sooner or later? Oh, Spider-Man.
Really
That's your favorite superhero, right?
Second.
Oh,
well, it's my favorite Marvel. I have a favorite Marvel and a favorite DC.
Okay. And
DC, it's Flash.
Okay.
Marvel, it's Spider-Man.
I didn't know that there were going to be so many characters. I thought it was just these three.
Well, it's
in the movie.
The whole Spider-Verse. It's a bunch of them coming in.
I thought it was just these three, though. I didn't know.
So, our movie doesn't start for another hour because the one that starts in 15 minutes was pretty full. So, we're going to go wander around this mall.
I say we go to Packetans.
Even though this
I
mall,
like that place.
Even though this mall has like 2 stores that's open and the rest of it's pretty much dead.
In the way. Oh. You almost just ran into someone.
I think this mall has some really beautiful decorations. And
a school bus.
And a school bus, yep. And Santa's little space over here. The beautiful tree and the gingerbread house. Just give you a little tour of the mall. Is like a ghost town. There's nothing here anymore.
Oh, and then there's a...
I feel like online is definitely the only way to shop these days.
That's what everybody does. It's easier. They don't have to get off.
But there's Lucky Duck Crane, yep. And there's a Packetans up around the corner, and I think that's where Robbie wants to go.
Too bad.
Look, all this is empty. All that's empty.
I have like 4 quarters at home.
This mall was packed, and this is where you came to hang out.
Oh yeah.
You know.
Yep.
There was even a coffee shop here when I was a kid.
Yeah, in the 90s and early 2000s, it was all about the
There was
mall.
a frozen yogurt place. There was all kinds of stuff here when I was a kid.
Yogurt out the...
Yep. Well, that was the place to be in the 90s.
No, it was a TCBY here.
Fancy.
Which...
All right, Austin, what did you think of the movie?
That was good.
You liked it? Did you like it?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
He's always tired.
I'm tired.
I thought it was really good. So, ready to go home?
Yeah.
I want to go walk around.
We walked around before the movie.
So?
I think we're gonna go home. We came out to pouring rain. Oh, and it was cold pouring rain.
somebody wanted me to park way out in the back 40 when we got here.
Well, it was beautiful and warm outside when we got here. Now it's dark and rainy.
And cold.
And I'm soaked to the skin and freezing. So, we're going home. Oh, we just made a run for it. Alright guys, so we're home now and I am actually prepping tomorrow night's dinner. I'm going to be having a colonoscopy on Tuesday, as I've said a few times, so I'm not able to eat solid foods tomorrow. And so the very last thing that I'm going to want to do is cook for my family while I can't eat. And Eric has to work tomorrow, so it's just inconvenient for him to have to come home from work and cook. He's going to have a long day tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare some chicken fajitas up for dinner for tomorrow. Eric just went out to get some takeout for dinner for us tonight. We have eaten out more in the last like 2 weeks than we have in probably 6 months. It's been a lot of eating out. We've been really, really good about not eating out for budget purposes for a while, and we just kind of went a little crazy especially these last couple days. So we'll be going back to not eating out again probably the beginning of the year, but it's just with everything being busy, and you know how it is. You kind of fall off the wagon a little and get into a bad habit. Hopefully we won't be eating out nearly as much after this weekend, but I can't promise that because we have other stuff happening throughout the month, so we'll just have to see. But we definitely have been eating out way too much. I'm sure you guys have noticed. But he just went to go get Arby's. I wanted to have my kind of last meal before I you know, can't eat solid foods for a little while. So he went to go do that, as well as to pick up the few things that I need for my prep for my procedure. So that's fun. I'm going to cook this up and get it put away for tomorrow night, and then we're going to have our dinner. That's pretty much going to do it for the night. Okay guys, so it's evening now on Sunday, and I am not looking forward to the start of a new week. Especially with this colonoscopy looming right at the beginning of it. I'm not going to lie, I'm very nervous about this colonoscopy. I'm nervous about what the results are going to tell me. I'm nervous about the prep. I'm nervous about the procedure itself. It's just not going to be a good time. Some of you have expressed interest in actually hearing about the process. I don't think I'm going to include it in Vlogmas because I feel like that whole thing just kind of brings the level of joy and happiness and the kind of the spirit of Vlogmas way down. So I probably will do a separate video where I talk about my experience, I talk about the prep and what I did for the prep and all of that. I'm trying to keep it as modest and as little TMI as possible, of course. But I imagine that anybody that watches that video will be kind of preparing themselves for their own colonoscopy, so I am going to give some details and stuff. So, you know, for my humility's sake, if you guys aren't interested in the process because you want the information for your own purposes, maybe just skip that video. Like I said, it's not going to be part of Vlogmas. It'll be clearly labeled a totally separate video. And then for the vlogs for tomorrow and Tuesday, I'm probably just going to cut them short. I did get a lot of great ideas for you guys about possible videos, and I'll probably do those ideas as well throughout Vlogmas. I just haven't had enough time kind of to mentally prepare for them. There were some requests for like gift ideas and like stuff like that, so I'll definitely do videos like that, but probably not in the next 2 days. So it'll just be like I'll vlog what I can. They may be shorter vlogs. I'll try to leave as much of the TMI stuff out as possible. And that's how that's going to go. But I hope you guys all had a really, really great weekend. I apologize for the kind of shortness of this video. There's not really much else to show you. It's 6:45. We're going to have dinner. Robbie's going to do homework. Austin's going to probably play video games until it's time for bed. And hubby and I will probably just watch TV. We're watching The OC right now. So that's probably going to be how we end our evening and how we end our weekend. So thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today. I hope you're loving Vlogmas. Definitely go see the Grinch movie if you haven't already. It's a great family-friendly movie. We enjoyed it a lot. I didn't really know if I and my husband would enjoy it, and even like Robbie, who's almost 16. I knew for sure Austin would enjoy it, but I wasn't sure about the older crew, and I gotta say, we all really liked it. So definitely family-friendly favorite. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. Hopefully you had a wonderful Monday by the time you guys are seeing this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.